Tech Talks with Solid Code Analyst.
Jams are really annoying. Oh, you don't know what traffic jam is? Go slow. It is really exhausting. Lagosians, what if I told you that the solution to traffic jam is in data? Really? We all know that feeling, stuck, sweating, just wishing the road would open up. It's really frustrating, but imagine if your daily commute wasn't a gamble. Imagine smooth sailing, knowing the best way to get home. Sounds good, right? Doesn't it? Well, data and accurate handling of data can make this happen. How can data help us in this dilemma we found ourselves in, especially in Lagos? Now let's look at eye on the road. Imagine on the road we have tiny sensors and cameras everywhere, constantly telling us where the cars are moving fast on the road, no matter how wide the express road is, right? Telling us where the cars are moving fast and telling us where the cars are barely crawling. This would automatically inform the traffic lights and make them change and regulate faster. And eventually, this will help us to ease up the tight spots, right? Another way it would help us is, what if we could predict where the traffic will build based on historical data? We can predict where the traffic will build up before it even happens, right? We know that based on our study in the past 2 years at Ojota, Lagos to be precise, by 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. we will always have traffic at that junction. That would inform us as to how the traffic light would work at that particular time. Using old data, we can see patterns, and this would warn you, hey, that route is looking rough today. Try this one instead. This should not only be available to the government, it should be available to the entire public, right? This should inform us on what route to take per time, right? And eventually it would evenly distribute motor vehicles across the entire Lagos, easing up the stiff areas. Another way to help us is when we embrace smarter buses and trains. Countries like China, Japan already have all of these vehicles. Data can show us where the public transport is, where it is needed the most, right? Making sure our buses and trains actually go where people need to go, cutting down on the number of cars needed on the road, right? This will make absolute sense. But let me even show you the bigger picture. It is not also just about traffic lights. This data can help us plan our city even better, fix those accident spots, and even make things like Uber and Bolt work smoother. It means less time stuck, less fuel wasted, and a cleaner and smoother Lagos for us all. Just imagine that. Now, this is a call to action, guys. Data is really powerful, and this is 2025. We need to realize this. My friend, it's time we really use data to make Lagos flow better. The unilateral solution to traffic jam in Lagos State, I dare say, is data to give us back our time and peace of mind. Let us push for a smarter Lagos. I'm very confident in the fact that this video is not exhaustive of all of the ways that data can help us make Lagos a better place, right? What do you think about this video? What are your comments? Let me know in the comment section, and do well to stay safe out there. My name remains Salako Emmanuel. You can also refer to me as Salako the analyst. Peace and love.